Hi YouTube family!
My name is Elysia English.
And I'm Philip English.
Welcome back to part 2 of our porch renovation. We painted the door. Ooh, so cheery. And we are going to get building the rest of our build today.
Heck yeah, let's go.
I decided that against our nice bright white house that a really gorgeous mustard yellow door was going to look perfect with the vintage vibe I was looking for. So I have one coat on the door, I still need another coat, and now we're gonna get to doing some framing so that we can get all of our woodworking done on the outside so we can get that painted white before we work on our screen inserts. Nice cut. I love having a jigsaw and getting in those special cuts to make sure that our framing is perfect. Let's fire this one on.
You're fired. I always have the tough jobs. Just kidding.
We have all of our framing done on our screen and porch. I think it looks amazing and we haven't even painted it yet. I still need to do more painting on the door, and then I need to get all of the wood framing that we've built. All of these inserts all need to be painted white, several coats. And what we're gonna do next is build the rectangular screened in sections that are going to be applied screen around them so that we can get them made, painted white, and then we can staple all the screen around. Those are going to insert into these sections that we've made. We have some spaces behind where the framing is going to butt up against it, and then we'll be able to do our little butterfly clips so that those screens can come in and out for different seasons. Let's finish up. What we have done is created these interior ledges. That way, when we make our rectangular boxes for our screen, they'll be able to butt against those flat frameworks that we did on the outside, making basically a section that they can fit into. And then we'll be able to use the butterfly clips to insert them so they actually stay in place and we can remove them when we want to. So we've done the same idea at the front and on the sides. And so now what we're going to do is build our rectangular frames that the screens will adhere to. We are at the point where we just finished making the 3 frames for the 3 large sections on the far side of the porch, and we just have to do the 2 rectangular frames on either side of the door. So we're going to finish that, and then we'll be able to start rolling paint. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's do this.
First paint. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is happening. I'm gonna need a ladder. It's like a growth chart.
The transformation begins.
This is dangerous, I feel like.
I can move it. I put it in the middle so you can kind of reach both. Is it? You like living on the edge?
I mean, like, I want the house all white, but I'm not sure I want this to happen.
What kind of paint are you using?
I'm using an exterior beauty tone paint, which is just straight white out of the can because I wanted it to be pure white. I didn't want any tint to it. And I love this paint. I use it for so many different projects. So I know I can count on it for durability for outside.
Well, the coverage is amazing because that's just one swoosh and it's like
one coat.
Beautiful.
I'm glad you like the color. I'm probably going to be wearing a lot of it by the end of this.
Well, I'm glad you're wearing my motocross jersey. That's great.
Comfy.
I'm gonna have to stop filming.
We're at the part where we're actually installing and upholstering the screen that we got from Home Hardware onto the framing that we built, which is going to be our inserts. And then these are going to be held in with the butterfly clips, and then we'll be able to put the plastic around these in the other seasons when it's super cold. So I'm thrilled because this is going to keep the mosquitoes out. And so what we've done is we've built our rectangular frames to dimensions that we need for our inserts. We're going to use the pneumatic stapler and staple all the way around the outside, pulling the screen nice and tight. And then we'll be able to trim off any excess because we don't want to cut it too short and then have to buy more screens. So we've left a little excess on the outside, probably way overkill, but it's better to have extra to work with than to cut it too short. Let's get stapling. We now have this gorgeous golden door for added curb appeal on the front of the house, and we even painted those front steps just for now until we do the flooring with black paint. We need another couple coats of paint, but I think that really brightened up the space. We also removed the lower blue shutters that were on the house. We're going to use a ladder later today and get the higher shutters down, but I think that it really gives it a more seamless look. And then once we power wash the house, it really is gonna clean it up.
Okay, kid, don't. No, don't. I'm holding the camera.
My butt is wet.
Yeah, well, he may have sprayed you. I think you got your mama, boy.
It's misting me this way. When the wind hits. Hey! Oh, you little. Stop it. Stop it. Did that help at all what I did?
Yeah. I mean, you might have to put a little bit of white paint on it.
Don't you dare spray me. And then when you move over to the side, you can see that we now have a fully screened in porch that's totally framed up. We did some detailing on the wood on the outside to really make it come together. A few coats of paint more and it's gonna be nice and crisp.
Day 3 of this absolutely gorgeous front porch transformation. I can't believe how much it makes me feel like it's a separate room of the house.
It's so amazing. I'm so glad we did this. I can't believe we waited 5 years to do this project.
6.
Should we show them what it looks like?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to show you where we're at with the exterior of the screen and porch. We still have a little bit of painting to do, and we're going to be doing some extra projects to really spruce up this space that you guys are going to see in tomorrow's video. I can't wait to show you the front door color and how this all came together. But again, we are first coats of all of our paint. So keep in mind, we are going to be adding some more paint coats kind of off camera because it's super boring to watch us roll paint forever. But I think that you're going to be super impressed with how amazing this porch turned out. And best of all, do you want to share what our budget was for this whole project?
I do. And remember, this changed the front look of our house completely.
It looks like a totally different house from the outside.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Okay, so we were able to do this entire screen and porch area for under $500. And that is because the biggest expense that we had was our door that we kind of splurged on. Because normally we would find an old upcycled door and paint it and make it how we want. But because we can't go out and find things, we decided to splurge and get like the door of our dreams, which was almost half of our budget that we spent on the porch.
It was.
So keep in mind that our door was a little overzealous in our budget compared to what we would normally do. So normally I would have found maybe a $10 or $15 screen door at an upcycled place and been happy with that. Yeah. But we're a little limited for supplies right now. So we did blow half of our budget on just the door. But I think when you see the door and it's all painted, it's definitely was worth that splurge. So, all right, let's reveal the porch.
Let's go. on to day 3, and this porch transformation is complete for the most part. There's a little bit of details that we're gonna display in our tomorrow's video, but as of for tonight, it's absolutely gorgeous.
I think that once we get the rest of the door painted and we get a couple more coats of paint on this off camera, it is going to really give it that finished look that we're looking for. I'm so excited. We actually had a little bit of a dinner out here on our porch tonight for the first time, which was so nice. So I think tonight when the boys go to bed, we'll definitely be sitting here having a nice warm tea, enjoying our bug-free space, having this addition off of our living room, which is just incredible. It really does, like Philip said, feel like another whole room to our house. It is so cozy. I can't wait to get this porch decorated.
Oh, I can't wait to get this porch decorated. And with the flowers that the boys and I got you for Mother's Day, I think that'll be the perfect touch.
It's gonna look amazing. Thank you so much for following our journey on transforming our porch. We have one more video to show you guys while we've transforming this space. You guys will get to see that tomorrow because we were super busy in the remainder of our day today getting a few additional projects done for this space that I think you're gonna really enjoy. So thank you guys so much. If you're not already part of our YouTube family and you enjoyed this transformation, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, and if you think this turned out amazing, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys. See you on our next video.